Hello dear students, how are you? My name is Varun Katyal and this is your English class. So before we start, please make sure you like the video, you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for getting all the contents. Okay, coming on to the topic. Today's topic is countable and uncountable things or nouns. Okay, a car, there is one car. Some money, there is some money. Money cannot be counted. What we count is its value. That is 500, 1000, 10,000 like that. Okay, let us go into some details. Okay, so a noun can be countable or uncountable. A noun can be countable or uncountable. How? Countable nouns can be counted in terms of numbers. How? Car, man, key, house, flower, idea, accident. There could be one car, there could be two cars, there could be two cars, or there could be more cars. Okay, you can count them in number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 men. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 house or houses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flower or flowers. Accidents, idea. Okay, students, that's why they can be countable nouns can be counted in terms of numbers. Okay, next is countable nouns can be singular and they can be plural. How? A car, my car, the car, one. Okay, students, similarly countable nouns can be plural. Cars, two cars, the cars, some cars, many cars, etc. You got the point, boys? Okay, so next is examples of a little more examples. I have a car. मेरे पास एक कार है. New cars are very expensive. नई गाड़ियाँ बहुत ही महंगी है. There are not many cars in the parking. पार्किंग में बहुत ज़्यादा गाड़ियाँ नहीं हैं. We cannot open the door without a key. हम एक चाबी के बिना या हम चाबी के बिना दरवाज़ा नहीं खोल सकते. Okay, students. Similarly, let us come on to the second part of it, which is uncountable nouns. Obviously, those which cannot be counted in terms of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000, 1,000 like that. We have to use some other words, other things, other ways to describe their quantity. How? Examples are water, salt, money, music, rain, air, rice, plastic, tennis, etc. Why these are uncountable nouns? Because you cannot say one water, two water. You will say a lot of water, a little water, some water. Right? Similarly, salt. Can you count the salt? One salt, two salt, three salt? No. Some salt, a lot of salt, little salt, like these. Similarly is the case with money. How? You will say, sir, this is 500, we can count it. No. 500 is the value of the 500 rupee note. If I say 1000 rupees, how will you say that? There would be two notes of 500. So number is 2, but the value is 500. So that's why, because money is important in terms of value, we put it under the category of uncountable nouns. Okay, we cannot say 1000 notes of 1000 notes are there, that's why it is a countable. No, 1000 or 500 or 200 is the value of money. So basically, in terms of English, it is uncountable noun. Okay. Similarly, music. Can you say one music? No, you will say a little music would be okay. Similarly, one rain, two rain, not possible. Same is with the air, rice, plastic, tennis, etc. Next is bete, important point. Uncountable nouns have only one form. That is, there is no singular or plural thing in it. Money stays as money is same for singular also and plural also. Just we express it with the help of some helping words or verbs like money, the money, my money, some money. Let us go through the examples. A glass of water, पानी का एक glass. A piece of cheese, एक टुकड़ा पनीर का. A cup of coffee, a game of tennis, a bowl of rice, rice का एक डोंगा, a bottle of milk, etc. So basically, using a and an with uncountable nouns is wrong. How? You will not say a money. You will not say a water, a milk. Okay, students. So this was a simple topic. This is all about basic knowledge about countable and uncountable nouns, how to differentiate between them, and how to apply them. You will have a deeper understanding with these set of practice questions. Put a or an where necessary depending upon countable or uncountable nouns, and write correct sentences. Okay students, so these are your correct sentences. I think there are 2 exercises, approximately 10 questions in the first one and 5 in the other one. So you take a screenshot, okay, you solve them with the video or whatever the way you like. In the next video I will come up with the solution of these set of practice questions. Okay students, so just take a screenshot and you'll be good to go. Okay students, thank you very much. That's all for countable and uncountable nouns. See you in the next video. Share and subscribe to the channel and have a great day. Thank you very much.